Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Blogging course. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about what is an evergreen niche, and I will also tell you what are the primary 3 evergreen niches to start a profitable blog. Well, an evergreen niche is an industry with everlasting appeal. It doesn't rely on seasonal trends to attract customers because it sells products or services that people inherently need or desires. The diversity of niches is available. Some are evergreen, some are seasonal. Evergreen means the products which carry demand always irrespective of seasons, months and era. Here I will tell you some reasons due to which you should start an online business in evergreen niche. First, you can earn money in evergreen niche year by year. It means you will always be profitable. Because of evergreen niche, the risk of time and money investing for the affiliate marketer is reduced. Because you will get exponential growth in such niches. Next, if you want to do affiliate marketing for the long-term profits, then you will have to work on evergreen niches. With these types of marketing niches, the evergreen market or niche can be the most profitable to start an online business such as YouTube channel or blog. This is because there is a never shortage of products and services to these evergreen niches. Evergreen niches have many sub-niches or topics which makes them highly profitable without any saturations. So now let's talk about which are the primary 3 evergreen markets. First is health, second is wealth, third is relationship. These are the primary evergreen niches because people are always worried about their health. They always keep searching for new ways of wealth creation, and people are always looking for relationships, girlfriends, boyfriend, etc. If you see closely, then many of the big online businesses are mainly based on health, wealth and relationship market. And it is clear that if you work on one of these 3 core markets, then you will be profitable in business. This does not mean that you will become rich in overnight. You will have to work with the right strategy. So the strategy is the thing that gives results. So you all know that health is the most important part of our lives. If you want to create a blog or YouTube channel in health niche, you should be a doctor or health professional. This means you should have enough information about the health niche. In this niche, you can develop digital products for those who want fitness advice. There are many people in this niche who are earning millions of rupees by selling digital products or their own courses. The health market has many sub-niches such as weight loss, weight gain, nutrition, gym training, dieting, possible health-related problems, pregnancy tips, quit smoking, and very specific medical issues. So health is very important niche to make more money. You can offer any service such as health care products, health tips, health related digital products to make money in the health sector. Well, the second market is wealth. If you want to start a blog or YouTube channel on the wealth market, then you have to teach your audience how you can earn money and how to become a millionaire. Which means you have to teach about money and wealth creations. Mostly this type of blog or YouTube channel will have content about money and wealth creation. In this niche, you can develop digital products for those who want to learn skills to make more money. There are a lot of people who want to earn money by learning any skills because money is very important to survive. Well, the wealth market has many sub-niches such as finance, investing, real estate, cryptocurrency, how to make money online, digital marketing, sales, business tips, blogging, startup tips, stock market, etc. So the third market is a relationship. And all of you know that people always like to live in a relationship, or some people are broken and then they are disturbed by the relationship. So there are needs, always products or services in this space. People are always looking to find a partner So they are ready to spend time continuing to learn those skills which help them to get their partner. The relationship is an evergreen niche and it is not going to be outdated anytime. In this niche, there are big websites that are earning millions of rupees per month. Do you know people pay the relationship counselor up to $250 per hour, which shows how relationships are important and people are ready to achieve relationships and maintain them. The relationship market has sub niches such as marriage advice, dating advice, love tips, breakup advice, etc. Investing in an evergreen niche is a great way to earn money online if you research the business and its development potential properly. Okay, I hope you got the idea of a profitable evergreen niche from this video. And if you found out your niche idea, then stick to that niche block for 2 to 5 years. Well, you can find out a list of profitable niches in the description of this video. All the niches that I have mentioned so far can also have sub niches and you can create a micro blog using sub niches. If you like this video, then press the like button, share this video with your friends, relatives and on WhatsApp group so that your friend can also take advantage of this ultimate blogging course. Also subscribe to Blogging Play Digital channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of the next video. Thank you. See you in the next lesson. Become a blogging player.